In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the application was unable to start correctly, or click OK to close the application. So let's get started. Now you want to press Windows plus R to bring up the run. Now type in temp, T-E-M-P, and click OK. Alright, so continue. Now you want to go ahead and delete all this folder. All the files in this particular folder, go ahead and delete it. Continue. Do this for all current files. Try again. Skip. Now just go ahead and close it and press Windows plus R again. That's the Windows key. This time around you want to add the percentage sign, then put temp and another percentage sign and click OK. Now go ahead and delete all the files in this folder again, just like so, and click delete. Continue. Do this for all current file. Try again, then just do this for and skip. Okay, now you want to go ahead and press the Windows key plus R again. Then this time around type prefetch and click OK and continue. Now you should go ahead and delete all the files in this folder again. Go ahead and delete. Do this for all current files. Skip. Now go to your search bar and type RSTRUI and run as administrator. Now next, go ahead and select that and finish. Click yes. Now go to your start for the stored method and type Windows security and select. Now try to disable the Windows Defender. Click uncheck, that's toggle off all of them, just like so. Now head over to your search and type CMD and run as administrator. Yes. And you want to go ahead and type sfc/scannow. So you wait for the scan to complete. Now the scan is complete. Go ahead and close it. Then just restart your computer, and that should solve your issue. So if this video was helpful, kindly like and subscribe for more contents like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.